Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Once again, not saying you'll ever draw this, but it's a pretty cool effect. It's kind of got like a shadow behind each layer. Pretty easy to draw, just a couple of steps. We're going to take a square holding on a rectangle button, holding down this control button so we get a perfect square. And then we're going to control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and move it to there. And you can use anything, but I'm going to use 22.5. Then I'm going to take my smart fill tool. I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to move that off and it has no outline now. So I'm going to move this one down and I'm going to fill it in with blue and I'm going to move it over and that way it won't have an outline also. We don't really need these anymore. So we're going to take this one and go to the shadow tool and we're just going to kind of go a little bit past it. Now the shadow tool and this are connected. So we need to go to object, break the shadow apart. Now I'm going to take this and move it over and that and move it over and see you got two different parts. Now I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go back minus front. And now we just have the shadow. So I'm going to move it back up. So I'm nudging the whole time and I'm not moving anything. And that way it looks like that thing's got a shadow. Now I'm going to go ahead and group them together, Control G, and you can see how big the box is on shadow. If we go to view and wireframe, I mean, that's what it looks like, but that won't appear in your printing. So now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation, and just make sure you're on that node, and then rotate it 22.5. And then Control D all the way around. And it looks like it's got a shadow behind each piece of paper or card. And it really, really shows up when you put a black box around it. Make it black, go to object, order, back a page. Really makes it stand out. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.